What's up, guys? Ryan with Platinum. We're gonna be doing wheels off on this Hellcat Durango. It's a ton of brake dust is caked on this thing, as you saw from the other side of the vehicle. What I'm using on here is release, and what it's doing is breaking down the iron deposits on the wheels, making it easy for them to come off and not stain it. And it's good for barrels. And then we coat them.
Why would somebody want a wheels off package?
With wheels like this, they get stained really easy from brake dust, and so what the wheel off package is going to include is a wheel and caliper coating, and that's going to make it super easy to get all this stuff and crud off your wheels without having to sit here with a towel and wipe them down.
Is a wheels off package better for a performance vehicle that generates more brake dust, or can anybody do this?
And our wheels off coating can actually stand 1800 degrees without failing, which makes it perfect for brake calipers in high temperature areas. So it goes on clear, and then when it comes in contact with iron deposits, it's gonna turn purple like this. So right now this is breaking down all those iron deposits on the caliper, making it super easy to clean. You can see it's bleeding off purple. So it's just a ton of contaminants stuck on those. Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper is actually one of the strongest coatings on the market. Next to Ceramic Pro Strong, it's used more for industrial stuff. We really don't level something like this, so it kind of is an application, then we leave it and let it dry. But this is going to make it super easy. Brake dust is still going to settle on this, but the point is when you hit it with the pressure washer, all this should just bleed right off, just like how you saw with the purple release taking that off. And we do have to maintenance these every few years. But it's totally worth it in the meantime to have this done. If you go to the track a lot or anything like that, and you want your calipers to look nice, this is an easy way to keep them clean.